Hello again, and welcome to this beautiful home that I have ready to show you here in the heart of Haslet in the community of North Star. Imagine yourself waking up in a beautiful home, not just designed for living, but for living beautifully. This charming front porch is where your mornings start with a beautiful cup of coffee and your evenings end with a gorgeous view of sunsets and a great conversation. As we step inside, the heart of this home unfolds, an open layout that blends elegance and comfort in every corner. Just look at this luxury vinyl plank flooring that stretches throughout. It's durable, stylish, and it keeps the flow of this home seamless. This amazing kitchen isn't just made for cooking, it's for creating family memories. With the beautiful cabinets, gorgeous counters, you're going to make unforgettable memories here. And let me show you my favorite part of the house, the primary suite. These tall windows flood the space with light, making it feel like your own private oasis. And the walk-in shower, this is the kind of luxury you'll love coming home to every day. Now step outside and imagine hosting your next barbecue and family gathering right here on this adorable back porch. Whether it's entertaining or just enjoying a quiet evening under the stars, this backyard has it all. Plus, the community's resort-style amenities are the cherry on top, with green spaces, playgrounds, and a pool all just steps away. This isn't just a home, it's a home ready to be a part of your home story. And ready to see it for yourself today? Let's make that happen. And are you thinking about selling and sharing with the world your home story? List with us today.